Hi everyone, Chris here from Squirrel. Hope you're doing really well. How are you getting on with your match betting? I hope it's going well. I hope you're stacking up the profits. In today's video, what I want to do is bring to your attention an offer that our members have really been enjoying over the last few weeks. It's an offer from Smarkets, and basically you are getting a free £10 bet every time you bet £50 with them, and this has been going for a few weeks now, and it goes on until later in February. It goes on until Monday the 10th of February, so there's quite a lot of weeks. There's about 10 weeks there that you could have been making money from this offer. This is one of the offers in our daily offers section. We highlighted it earlier on when it came out to our members, and also it's been pretty popular in the forum. Members have been talking about it, making money from it. It's really good stuff. And the good news is as well that there is still several weeks of this offer left to go. So I think if you got on it early and you were getting all of the £100 in free bets, this offer is probably worth around £80 to £85 to you in cash. There's a few weeks to go now, so you can easily be getting £10 as well, and each of those £10 free bets you get is probably going to be worth about £8, £8.50. And the cool thing is that you can combine this with your normal match betting. If you're using the Smarkets exchange to actually do your normal match betting, then there are ways that you can do that and you'll still qualify for this offer. It's really nice. Let's check it out now. I'm going to dive into it a little bit more. So to access this offer, log into your premium members account with Squirrel, click the link here on the screen, and then it will load up Smarkets for you. The really cool thing is that this is an offer for new members and existing members. So if you already have a Smarkets account, then not a problem, you are still going to qualify for this. If you haven't signed up to Smarkets yet before, then just be aware that this offer here, by signing up on this page, that's actually going to replace the older welcome offer that Smarkets were giving you. This is now their new welcome offer for everybody at the moment in this period of time. So choose whichever one of these applies to you. Either you're signing up for the first time, or if you have an account, click that, go ahead and log in. And then once you've done all that, you'll be taken to the normal Smarkets account /exchange screen. So in order to qualify for this free bet, these free bets every single week, what you have to do is you have to place £50 in bets with Smarkets. That could either be back bets or lay bets, but bets on the Smarket exchange, and you have to do that on English Premier League markets. So you have to do that on 5 different markets as well. So basically what that means is 5 different games. You also want to note that you don't want to be placing bets on markets that are outright season-long bets, and things like accumulators as well. Those don't qualify you for this offer. So what you have to do is you have to make sure A, that your bets are settled in the week that you place them, and also B, that they're not on either of those markets. So what I would probably do is I would just stick to the win markets, backing your laying teams in the Premier League. If you want to find the Premier League games, go to Smarkets, and then you'll see on the left hand side here you can select football, UK, and then Premier League is the top one there, and it also appears here. Again, this might look slightly different if you're on mobile, but it's going to be in the menu of Smarkets, and then you'll be able to see the Premier League games that are coming up in the next week or so. So this is coming up to Saturday and Sunday, and I would just stick to placing your bets here on the win markets. So it's basically 2 different ways to complete this offer. You can basically back with Smarkets here, and that will be the green side as well. If you haven't done that on an exchange before, because normally we've been laying bets on our exchanges, then it may be a little bit different, but the process is exactly the same. And essentially what you're doing is you're treating Smarkets as if they were the bookmaker side of the match betting equation. And then in order to place your lay bet, you're going on to another betting exchange, something like a Betfair or even a Matchbook. And I'd maybe recommend Matchbook actually for this, because they're going to have lower commission than Betfair do. So if you can get the availability, I would probably go on to Matchbook. And then to place your back bet, you simply just click the green bet, enter your stake here, which is going to be at least £10, and then you just place the bet. And then just use the simple match betting calculator to calculate what your lay stake needs to be in the betting exchange. And remember, you need to do that on 5 different games. So once you place your back bet on this game, then there's going to be, many other games as well for you to choose from, but it is important that you choose different games as well. So that's what I would call the back method of completing this £50 wagering requirement, which is essentially what it is. But there is a different way to complete it, and you can actually qualify each week by having at least £10 in liability in your lay bets. So what I would suggest is that you can actually go ahead and you can complete normal offers just like you would be doing your normal weekly match betting, completing daily offers, horse racing offers, 2-up offers, things like that. Completing those using Smarkets as your exchange, and then making sure that you place at least £10 in liability when you're laying on events in the course of your actual match betting. So in order to make that happen, you need to be placing 5 bets on 5 different Premier League games, and they each need to have a liability of £10 or greater. So that might be something that factors into your match betting strategy, and you may prefer to complete it that way. So it's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. You can complete it with the back bets, you can complete it with the lay bets, but as long as you are hitting the requirements, then you're going to be fine and you're going to qualify for that free bet. Just one thing to note on that though, that if you are using any of the cash out features, for example, you're completing early payout offers, and you go ahead and use the cash out method there, and I'm not going to go into that now because I have got a whole video on the early payout offers, and I'll explain a bit more what the cash out method is there. But for those of you that know, the cash out method, that is going to invalidate the amount of liability. That is going to basically reduce, I should say, the amount of liability that you have in your account. So if you've placed something with liability over £10, but then you use the cash out feature on that event, then you may drop below the £10 required liability. So that would not contribute towards your qualification for the free bet. So that's just something to bear in mind as well. Once you've qualified for that free bet, you're going to get an email from Smarkets, and that's going to let you know that you have qualified for it. And those free bets are issued every single Tuesday, so that's going to be something you can use in your Smarkets account. I believe it's on pretty much any event, and it is basically a refund if your bet loses. So in order to calculate that, you would just use the simple calculator in the stake not returned mode, and then you go ahead, calculate your bet that way. So cool, get yourself over to Smarkets, make sure you opt into that or sign up if you're not already signed up with them. As I say, this has been a really good offer. It's a really easy one to qualify for and has been really profitable, and there's a good few weeks for you to get involved in it as well if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, hit that like button, and if you want to get match betting videos every single week, learn what you need to know about match betting, learn what you need to know to make money with it and make money online, then make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. I'm going to be here every single week bringing you new videos for free. Again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all again in another video really soon. Bye for now.